Let's make a quick and easy recipe for a snack, that baked hot dog your friends are going to love. I'll start with the dough. You don't even need a blender. You can mix it by hand, even with a whisk. This recipe uses 3 eggs. I'm going to add 450 ml of milk, 200 ml of oil, and mix it well. Now add 2½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, one tablespoon baking powder, I'll pour half the batter into a greased baking pan. I use non-stick spray, but you can grease and flour yours. Now I'll make the filling. I have ½ kilo of chopped sausage already boiled for 2 minutes. I'll mix in ½ can each of corn and peas, plus 1 packet of ready-made sauce. Any brand works. Depending on the sauce you use, if you think it doesn't need salt, don't add any. If you want to add a little, I put in just a pinch. It's delicious, and you can even sell it in individual meal containers. It looks adorable. Kisses, see you next video.